And as you see right now, it's showing me 3,850 results for a car dealership.
We can take this outside, looking at the stars staring.
Today I want to reach out to dealerships from home, and I'm gonna record for you exactly what I do, and I'll show you an amazing platform, the service that you can use to reach out directly to dealership owners. This is like a network platform for local businesses where you can log in for free. They also have paid plans, but it's enough for free. You can use it, guys, for free. And today we're gonna go together and try to connect with a few businesses in your area and try to land a meeting from home. So with that being said, right now let's hop on the computer and I'll show you that platform so you can use and try to land some meetings with potential customers. Alrighty guys, so the platform called Alignable, as you see right now on the screen, and I've used this platform in the past. I had some success, but it was more with chiropractors, but I never actually used it for car dealership niche. So I just want to show you and share with you. It's a free platform. I know they have some paid plans, but it's a free platform that you can actually connect in your area with your network. This is a network for business owners. So let's check it out if there is some car dealership owners and if we are able to connect with them. I did before this video a little bit prepared, so I saw that there is some dealerships. So I just want to show you this platform so you can actually use it and to land some meetings with your clients. So basically you need to create an account. It's free. So I already have an account. This is an account for my business, and this is how this looks. So you have your network, you have community, you have forum, you have messages. So it's kind of looking like LinkedIn, but it's more for business owners. Like directly, they networking, they reaching out to each other, they giving recommendations. So it's more like local community, like local LinkedIn, but also it's nationwide. So if you want to reach out to other business owners not in your city, you can also do that. But I believe if you want to do this, you need to upgrade your plan and pay something like 20 bucks or something. So to show you the potential of this, let's type here in the search bar on the top left corner, let's type car dealerships, right? Or car dealer. Yes, okay. So we type car dealerships. So as you see, here's popping up some different events, businesses, and it's actually categorized by events, services, community. So let's type and choose car dealership businesses. Okay. So as you see, it gives you on the left like a filter, so you can see like highly recommended my network within 50 miles, within 100 miles, then by text, car dealership. And as you see right now, it's showing me 3,850 results for a car dealership. This is insane, guys. And as you see, I've been sending some messages to a few dealerships here in my area in Austin. And as you see, this right now it's 3,000 results. I believe it's nationwide because see right here it says Memphis, right here different other cities. So I was reaching out in my area because if I want to, let's say, connect with, I don't know, with Victor, I don't know, let's say I want to connect with someone, Scotty Halfmaster in Town North Nissan, this one in Austin. But let's say if I want to connect someone with, it's not in my city, let's say someone is out of town, let's see, there was New York, let's say Memphis, let's say we want to connect with this one. So if you want, click here. As you see, it looks like this business is outside of your network radius, so it's like you can boost the radius, and I believe it's like $20. But I don't want to do this. I want to do it absolutely for free, right? So I only can connect with people who are in my area. See, I connected with these guys. I send them a message, and let's check out these guys. So if you open the page of specific dealership, as you see, they leave their phone number, also obviously website, a Facebook page, and team. So normally, like if it's a franchise dealership, they normally leave obviously not the actual owner contact, but like 90% of time you will find this is the contact of a general manager, and they very responsive here. So Brian West is most likely the general manager of the Toyota. So Here's the phone number that you can reach out, and also we can send an email. I believe here you connect, you can send them direct message, or you can send them email. So it's super cool stuff. And then you can send recommendations. So what I usually do, I do some type of recommendation, so to grab attention, that basically like leave a review, or something like between the lines. You can see say here in recommendations, hey, I checked out, hey, I checked out, let's check, I checked out your website, and you have an amazing reviews. I would love to learn more about your business and see if we could maybe work together. Okay, some of that, and then you just click send recommendations, right? And it says we send. So what I do, I send recommendation, then I because right now, see, I can't send another message, which is kind of dumb. I don't like this system, because you can send only a message whenever you connect with them. So let me go back, car dealership. So see, if I want to send again, like if I want to message them, it's only whenever you connect with a new dealer. And I wasted all my connections, like they give, I believe, like 10 to 15 a day. So I wasted all from today because I was connecting before this video. I should have recorded it for you, but anyways, I wasted so I cannot actually again go and see. It doesn't give me the option to send a message again to them, right? So what basically, whenever you're gonna do, guys, here's a quick tip: choose the dealership within your area, right, within your city. Don't go, I mean, you can upgrade literally if you want. You can upgrade for like, I don't know, let's see, again, like $24, and it's like US and Canada. See, you can connect with US, Canada, and send to all these 3,000 people. I haven't done that personally. I'm just showing you the free ways, guys, so you can, if you're just starting out. But if you have some budget, you can invest and you can connect and send messages to a bunch of dealers. Haven't done that, but so here's the tip: whenever you do this, make sure click on connect. See, it's not allowing you. Once you click on connect, it asks you like, hey, send a greeting message to your prospect, to your customer, that you're trying to connect. So send them this type of message like, hey, I checked out that you have amazing reviews. I want to learn more about your business, and you can say something about yourself. Ideally, if you also include the audit, this is type of strategies also teach in my course, where you send an audit, and also you're reaching out with every single platform, not only here, but like on Facebook, LinkedIn, so, and emailing them, and then phone number, and then calling them, or showing up in person. So all this is super important, and then following up, where I have like entire follow-up system, by the way. But with that being said, here is, you can connect. You see a bunch of dealers. But another thing I just remembered that I wanted to show you, really amazing stuff. It also has Q&A. So look, I don't remember how I typed before, but it has like a bunch of questions that dealers ask, and you can actually comment and see the answer. So let's see. What are some of the most effective social media contests to run for a car dealership? You see 900 people saw like dealerships, and then 7 likes, 7 comments. So can you imagine if you would be active here, if you would like help and just leave a comment like, hey, here is some of like 10 tips that that your dealership can do to bring more leads and more, sell more cars. Boom, just put together and respond to under these questions that dealers ask. And this is amazing. They see your credibility, because they're trying to help you invest and you bring some value. And on top of that, you actually engaging with the community. So who do you think they're most likely to respond on whenever you send connect, invite, and try to build network? Who do you think most likely they will respond? Someone who just randomly, or someone who they see in a community, they see that they engage and and provide value? See, here's another one. What is the best way to market for a car dealership? So it's clearly some of the owners ask, and then they engage. asked by this guy in 2019. Actually, it's super recent. It's been only 8-10 days ago. Boom. See? This guy's marketing group. See, other agencies just like ours, they engage in, they provide value, and then they connect with the dealership owners, and then they land the clients. This is amazing, guys. Wait, here's a lot of more stuff. See, here's another question. What do you hate about dealing with your local dealership for your business? And here is answers of different people. So should be you, guys. This is where you should be engaging in trying to land and find some clients on daily basis, guys. This is one of the strategies, one of the ways that you can go out there and start reaching out and landing meetings with the car dealerships. This is amazing. See, here's the events. If you can check out different events that going on a car dealership or auto repair, they create. And you can also, I believe, if you even don't upgrade, you can still like post, ask questions, and build community here. See, I wasn't active. I've been using before. I remember like 6 months, about a year ago, just for local businesses when I was trying to find local clients. I never done this before in the past for dealerships, but recently I just been using it for trying to get some clients where I'm outsourcing that people do this specifically in this platform for me. But guys, I just want to show it to you this way so you can leverage this and start landing clients and meetings within your niche. So this, I reached out, as you saw, I reached out to a few dealerships just to show you the way that for this 60-day challenge that we can try also get some clients from home. This is one of the ways I reached out, and I'm gonna keep you updated if I get any response, if they will respond me or not. And I'll just again like recording for you everything, like my journey, how I'm trying to get to 6 figures and land car dealership clients, and how important it is to be focused in one niche. Guys, again, I can't stress enough how important it is to be focused and be expert in one niche. It's way then easier to build an authority and get clients on autopilot in future. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it and you found some value. Make sure to smash that like button so more people can see the video and learn about the strategies, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and let me know how you're doing with your challenge. I see you guys, you're killing in the group again. I appreciate every one of you who are engaging or asking questions, who are sharing experience and helping each other. This is an amazing community. I'm super grateful, guys, that we're growing every day with together. So again, if you still not a subscriber to, if you still didn't join our Telegram mastermind chat group, the link will be down in the description, so you can join and learn together and grow with us and join our challenge. Again, a 60-day challenge. I'm super excited when we're gonna kill this challenge. Again, it's been over like 20 days in this challenge, and we have still 40. I already have 1 client. Guys, let me know how you're doing, what help you need with exactly, so I'll make future videos on that topic. So comment below under this video what you need help with, what you're struggling. I'll make this type of videos. And again, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and because I do recording exactly my journey and sharing experience and showing you strategies how to work with dealerships and other and grow your social media marketing agency. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by